Suplex City. Doesn't sound like a town I want to live in, but its population is increasing in WWE 2K17. You see, we here at IGN are exclusively revealing the wrestling game's must-see roster each Tuesday, kicking off today. So, who's climbing into the ring? Some of the highlights include Chris Jericho, Booker T, the Bella Twins, the Usos, Ultimate Warrior, Connor, and R-Truth. And hey, you can also check out the intro video for the monstrous mayor of Suplex City, Brock Lesnar, right now. Dude kinda looks like a buff potato. Now, the latest Pokemon Go update has many trainers fired up, like Charizard, angry that the 3-step feature was eliminated without any explanation. Well, developer Niantic is finally talking, posting the following on the Pokemon Go Facebook page. We have removed the 3-step display in order to improve upon the underlying design. The original feature, although enjoyed by many, was also confusing and did not meet our underlying product goals. We will keep you posted as we strive to improve this feature. Look, Niantic just wants to be the very best, okay guys? Hawkeye himself, Jeremy Renner, apparently wanted Marvel to kill off his character while filming the first Avengers film. The Radio Times reports that Renner didn't enjoy becoming Loki's zombie minion and felt frustrated by that plot development. During a Q&A session at London Film and Comic-Con, Renner discussed the situation on the Avengers set, saying, "I'm giving you an option if you just want to kick me out of this movie. Just, you know, at any given moment, if you want to kill me off, Daddy's gonna be having a heart attack." By the way, Renner is happy Hawkeye's still shooting arrows in the Marvel Cinematic Universe now and not dead. And I am too. I'm like the one guy who likes Hawkeye. And that's your Daily Fix for August 2nd. I'm Damon Hatfield. If you want more news, make sure you download the official IGN app for an endless tide of Pokemon info. And remember, you can get your fix anytime online at IGN.